Today we're going to be showing you how to install a magnetic door lock for a room, or replace a magnetic door lock for a room. The first thing is you need to remove the old door lock, so let's get to that. So as you can see, we pulled off the old door lock, we turned the power off and just wire netted the wires for the fun of it. Two of these wires aren't used, they originally ran and they no longer work. So now we have to take this plate off and put our new plate on. Now that we have this plate off, we are going to put our new plate on, which only has 2 bolts that hold it up rather than 4. It's a little bit cheesier, but it's the only 24-volt one that we could get a hand on. So here we go. Next, we're gonna line up our plate so that we can drill our new holes. Next step, we're gonna run the wires into this little hole here and then connect them into the plus and minus, because this one doesn't have any devices that it controls. It just is either on or off. Alright, now you're just gonna wire it in, red to positive, black to negative. The other 2 wires we're not using, so we're just gonna tuck them in here, put a cover on her, and then we have our magnetic door lock plate that's already on from the old one, and we already have a light on that says it's gonna work, so just gotta close her up, and you can see right now the screwdriver, she's locking the door technically right now. If I hit the button over there, it will release, or if I scan the fob, it will release. And that's it. Basic magnetic door lock.